Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a doll makeover. Halloween is right around the corner, and I always love to dress up. Even though I am 20 years old, I love dressing up for Halloween, and this year I have decided to be a deer. Like one of those mystical deers with the white hair, that kind of thing. So I'm super excited for that. So today we're going to be dressing up one of my dolls the same way. I looked up some images on the internet and I think I want to go buy this one. It's really cute and really beautiful, and I just overall think this is going to turn out great. I will probably make some mistakes, but yeah, let's give it a try. I have chosen this Project MC doll for this project. She has rooted eyelashes and she's fully articulated, and I think she is perfect for this video. And just a little tip, I would use white school glue because just in my experience it has definitely worked the best for me, and it is removable. You can just peel it right off of the doll's face. So I'm just going to use 2 drops of the white glue and then 1 drop of the acrylic paint. And mix it all up. And if you want your paint to be a little bit of a lighter color, just add a little bit of paint. Just add less paint to the glue mixture. I'm getting mustache vibes here. I tried to copy that, but it's not working at all. So I'm gonna redo that quickly. Okay, I think that looks a lot better. The 2 pieces coming up on the sides of the mouth were just giving me a mustache vibe. So yeah, that did not work out good, but I think this looks some better, so I'm just gonna keep going and see how this goes. Okay, so I'm done with the eyeliner, and now we're going to move on with the white details that go on a deer. So it seems like in the picture they are using white on the bottom, like going down the sides of the nose, and then they're using some white above the black eyeliner, so we're going to try that. Okay, so that's one eye down. I'm not getting deer vibes yet. Hopefully I will later. Right now it just looks like some gothic person, but I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, so I got both eyes done. So I guess now it's time to move on to the contouring. There's a lot of contouring in the picture, and when I say a lot, I mean like a lot. There's just a lot of it. A lot of highlights and contour. So that might be a challenge, but we'll see. Okay, the contouring was way harder than I thought. Yeah, that's not a good job at all. But, yeah, it has to have it or it just looks weird. So, I'm just gonna keep it, but now I'm gonna draw on the nose. So now I'm just going to add the white spots that are on a fawn on the nose and the upper cheeks and the forehead. This really brings it all together, and I think it is so cute. Okay, so this is the end result. I think it turned out really cute. This is perfect if you want to give your dolls a Halloween costume that is cute. I have seen other YouTubers do something similar to this, but I think I'm the only one that's done a deer or a fawn, and I will probably do a part 2 for her outfit. I just didn't want this video to be too long. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY. I know it wasn't much, it was just some face paint, but if you guys try this, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at ElsieDIY. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so you can see more awesome videos like this one. Don't forget to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Jesus loves you. Have a beautiful day. Bye!